Welcome to episode 1700, Johns Hopkins, railroad billionaire in 18th century. This is an outline of episode 1700. Was born in Granville, Maryland in 1795 to Quaker's family. He is the second of 11 children, and he was raised and worked in this 500 acres tobacco plantation. This is the school he went to learn to read. Age 17, he left the plantation to work for his uncle in Baltimore. Worked 7 years for his uncle, and then he started his own business, which was grocery and whiskey. 1847, he was rich enough to be able to retire at the age of 52. The next 25 years, he would make a huge fortune as an investor in railroads, new and emerging industry that replaced the old wagons as transport. Johns Hopkins died in 1873 in Baltimore. He was 78 years old. Johns Hopkins was never married. He died childless, and he left behind $7 million in his will to be equally divided between a university and a hospital which will bear his name. Johns Hopkins is estimated to have a net worth of $14 billion when he died, by using his contemporary Cornelius Vanderbilt. More on Cornelius Vanderbilt, please watch episode 1599 and 1600 of this channel. My formula is $1 million in 1875 is equal to $2 billion today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave your questions and comments below. My next video will be Johns Hopkins 9 lessons. Wishing everyone peace and prosperity.